number. You got it? You ready, sweetie? Okay. Are you recording?
I don't know. I think so.
Okay.
Okay, boo boo.
Here we go. Okay, maybe we should put this on the. Here we go. Ready? This is it. Your first taste. She likes a spoon. Can I take the spoon? I can't get the spoon back. Okay.
Mangia, mangia. Mangia, mangia.
I think she thinks I've been dying to eat for months. Finally, people give me some food. Okay, let go of the spoon. 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 Is she getting any in there? Okay. Oh, the hands are in the food. I think she's getting a little bit in there. Here, honey. Oops, it's in the hands for sure. It's in the hands. We're going to have to hose her down. She just keeps her mouth hanging open. Ready for some more. Okay, here's a real spoonful. You can lean back, honey. Are you getting any in there? You like it, huh?
I think she does.
I think she likes it.
Is there milk in it?
Yeah.
Now we need to hose everyone down.
She's like,
totally
where'd that spoon go? Give me some more. Okay, hold on. This is more than you really need to eat. Okay, let's maybe not keep...
Wasn't she supposed to eat 2 spoonfuls?
No, a tablespoon, which there's nothing on these spoons. She hasn't even gotten it. I'm guessing she hasn't even gotten a teaspoon, hardly.
Okay. I think we're done.
I think she